Alright, so I don't know if y'all hear that, but that's a fucking helicopter airplane. It already passed by my house like 10 times. Like, what the fuck is going on out there? It's 1 in the morning. 1 a.m. in the morning. Like, I'm supposed to be asleep because tomorrow I'm going to school. Oh, wait, actually, today I'm going to school because it's already Wednesday. But I'm not tired yet. And that helicopter already passed by my house like 10 times. It's weird. And it keeps getting louder every time it passes by my house. Like, is that the FBI or something? What the fuck is going on out there? Yeah, I don't hear it anymore, but it was still weird. The last 20 minutes, that same helicopter passed by my house. So many times, back and forth. But, like, is it getting lower or something? Like, why is it getting louder? Alright, guys, so I have school today. I'm gonna go to sleep because it's 1 a.m. So, goodbye, guys.